Hello, this video is for CT6009 Advanced Concepts in Forensic Computing module, University of Gloucestershire. Okay, now the aim of this video is to answer some of the questions regarding assignment 1 component 2. Now this assignment is about 35% marks and deadline is Monday 28 January 2013. The module guide, which is available from Moodle, which is this, explains all the details. Which page number is that? So if you go to the module guide and go through page 5, 6 and 7, it tells you what is required. But what I'm going to do here is in this video is answer some of the frequently asked questions, right? Okay, so the first question is that I want to write an essay describing various methods to do something, for example authorship detection, network intrusion. Is that okay? And the answer is that's not okay. The assignment cannot simply be a survey of existing methods, although you need to explain existing methods, but that will just be a part of your assignment. The main thing that I'm really looking for is you need to pick up some of those methods, maybe 1, 2 or 3 or maybe more, and actually run them, execute them, and then evaluate their performance. That's really what I'm looking for. So you have to actually do and not just read and summarize things. So you have to actually run programs. Okay, the second question is, and by the way, I'll upload all these questions to the Moodle as well, so you can read from there as well. Now the second is, can you suggest me some topics for the assignment? Actually, I have intentionally kept this assignment quite flexible in terms of the topic that you want to choose, so you can choose really any topic. But the main thing is that it should involve executing some machine learning or statistical method to do some forensic tasks. Now what kind of forensic task, that's really up to you. So just pick up any that you like. However, I have given you these few examples, and you can pick up either from these or come up with your own. So you can either create a network intrusion model, evaluate its performance, or email classification model, evaluate its performance, or authorship detection and evaluate its performance. Use machine learning and statistical method to break the code and see how effective those methods are, or you can do some DNA forensic analysis on some data set. I think you could also do some file fragment classification as well. Okay, what's the third one? What should I include in the assignment? The module guide, the assignment should have these 4 components. It should good use of appropriate techniques, analysis, interpretation, discussion, and critical review of the techniques used. And if you go to the module guide, then that's the marking criteria, and it explains what is required. Now I just want to point out one quick thing. So if you want to get good marks, which I'm sure all of you do want to get, then you should include all these 3 things. But if you want to get very good marks, which is 70 plus, then you should do one more thing, which is clear evidence of further investigation. So you should do something extra. Okay, now if you were creating a network intrusion model, your techniques could be which model you have selected. If you are doing the code breaking case study, then what are the different decryption methods you have used, and how effective each method was. That could be your analysis and interpretation of results. Alright, now what's the 4th question? Is it necessary to write the code? Actually, absolutely not. You can use some GUI tool, Rattle, and do the assignment without writing any code. But of course, if you write some code, that's a plus point, but you don't have to. Should I use R language and Rattle tool only? No, you can use any language and any tool that you wish. What should be the format of the assignment? Should it be a normal essay format? Again, there's no fixed format. Just make sure that it's well structured and easy to follow. but I think you would want to use some tables and graphs. Alright. Although again you don't have to, but I can see if you're creating a network integration model, then probably you use some tables to represent the performance, and perhaps graphs as well. Font and spacing, it doesn't matter at all as long as it's readable. I don't care about font and spacing and all that. It should be readable. The most important thing is the content. You get marked on the content. How many references, again there's no fixed limit. But I think some of you may use between 5 to 20 or yeah, again there's no limit now, so don't worry about the number of references as such. I think just keep on doing your work and references will come automatically. Okay, now this is, I want to run some programs and I don't have my PC at home is slow. Now if your PC at home is slow, then one thing which you may do is don't work on the whole data set, work on a subset of the data set. So work on 5% of the data set, so you'll require less computing power. The other option is use the PC in the labs, and if you're still struggling, email me and I'll try to find a solution. Okay, last is, can you suggest me some data sets? Yes, I can. I have uploaded 3 public level data sets in Moodle, and if you go to Moodle, here, so in Moodle these are the 3 data sets that are there: intrusion detection system, authorship identification, email classification, and all these data sets are available publicly, but I'm sure you can search the web for more data sets. All right, okay. So thank you. That was a quick summary of the frequently asked questions about the assignments. And again, just to repeat myself, the main thing that I'm looking on in the assignment is you should question